Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video you will find how to solve Holey Moley bowling puzzle. This puzzle is made completely out of wood and has difficulty level 8 out of 10, and it is created by Creative Crafthouse in United States. Object of this puzzle is to put all these 10 bowling pins in such a way that they all gonna be the same height. And what makes this puzzle really difficult is that you have to deal with different height of the pins, and the depth of each hole is different as well. Also, the base is not a straight line, it's angled, and it's gonna mess up with your solution as well. So if you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve this puzzle. First you have to remove all the pins. And now I will tell you numbers of the pins which to put first from left to the right. So first goes pin number 7, next pin number 10, number 1, then goes number 3, and as you can see all of them are the same height so far. So now goes number 5, number 2 goes next, after number 2 goes number 6, then goes 8, after 8 goes number 4, and next goes number 9. As you can see, number 4 and 9 are so different in height, but they're going to be the same height when we put it inside the base. So the depth of this hole is much smaller than the depth of this one. So this is the final solution of Holey Moley bowling puzzle. As you can see, all of them are the same height and the puzzle is solved. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles created by Creative Crafthouse, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!